Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Just a quick update on the status of the fig trees. I've been paying attention. I've been watering them, but they've really leafed out in the past couple of days, I think. Yeah, so the next 5 days, the lowest temperature is going to be 31 degrees. So I think it's time to not necessarily going to transition. I'm going to just throw these into the lean-to, and I think the polycarbonate cuts down on some of the intensity, plus the time of year. The sun isn't as intense as it's going to be the next couple of months, but yeah, I think it's time to throw these into the lean-to, even the citrus. Like I said, the lowest temperature is going to be 31 degrees, and there's going to be a high. I forget, I was just looking at the prediction, weather forecast. I think maybe Saturday, it's going to be like a 60-degree day. So I might even have to open up the windows on the lean-to so it doesn't get too warm in there. It's about a 10-degree differential. Yeah, so summer's coming, and it's time to get these outside. Looks like even though I had a massive leaf drop on the Travita orange here, it looks like it's hanging in there. Typical fashion with stressed citrus is they can put out a lot of flowers and have absolutely no leaves on them too. But, yeah, so that's the plan. Well, it looks like my Meyer lemon tree is also starting to flower there. So let me get these outside. Got the amaryllis here. Probably should get them into the sun. They're stretching toward the sun that comes in through the cellar window there. That one's got 2 flowers on it right there. Yeah, so let me get these into the lean-to. Okay, excuse the leaf blowers. It's now springtime in the US, or in New England in particular. And as I read articles that say that Americans are increasingly stressed out, this is how we celebrate spring. With leaf blowers in tandem, or sometimes 3 or 4 at a time, from here on until the first snow. Just makes you want to get out into the garden and appreciate nature. Yep, it's leaf blower time. Very important, because we all work really hard. So when we come home at night, after working all those long hours, we don't even see the yard. And no one actually goes out and does any gardening anymore, but it's really important not to have any loose organic matter sitting on your property. And make sure to use up a lot of gasoline and spew out a lot of exhaust in the process of doing so. A little rant. Yep, I forgot about the leaf blowers. So, I did get most of these in. I'm working on the larger pots now, and I'm realizing that this is probably going to be the last year for figs, or maybe even potted plants, large potted plants, even the citrus. It's just too much for me now to be moving these pots around. Alright, so I get all the figs out, and for now I think I'm going to leave the citrus right here underneath this grow light. Might bring them out periodically this week, but I think it's already too much sun and too warm for the citrus, which, you know, the roots are still almost dormant. So as soon as the leaves are going to be at a higher temperature than the roots, you're going to have leaf drop. So yeah, I got the figs outside. The leaf blowers are still going, and I'll end the video here. Yeah, I think it's time just to have gardening that I could you know, plant outside and not have to deal with potted plants and lugging them around. Just can't do it anymore. Yeah, on that upbeat note, yeah, so this is New England gardening. Moved my figs out into the lean-to. Thanks for watching.